So I'm putting in new baseboards, but last year I drilled into a pipe and now I am scarred for life and I'm very afraid of nailing into a pipe on my wall now. So I am going to use my FLIR ONE EDGE Pro IR camera, which I received free for review, to find the pipes in my wall and make sure that I can avoid them when I nail in my baseboards. This wall is especially terrifying because I know that it has the hot water pipe that goes to the upstairs, the cold water pipe that goes to the upstairs, as well as the shutoff for the entire house and the shutoff for the secondary water that's at the front of the house. So at minimum, there are 4 pipes in this wall. I already know that there is a pipe here because I drilled into it. But what I didn't know is that there's a second pipe right next to it. There is a hot water pipe that you can see is angling down and is going over toward my hot water heater, but the cold water pipe comes directly from the other side, which is where my shutoff valve for the water source to the house is. So while I know that I don't have to worry about hitting the hot water pipe, I definitely do still have to worry about hitting that cold water pipe. And I can see that it's right there. So with the camera, I'll be able to mark it on the wall and make sure that I avoid it. You can see that the cold and the hot are right next to each other. The other thing that I could do if the cold water pipe wasn't very visible is take a blow dryer to the wall and warm up the wall and then run cold water from the upstairs, because this is the pipe that takes it upstairs. There is probably also a drain pipe somewhere, and so I would want to find that one as well by running hot water upstairs and then following it to see where it drains and which wall has the pipe that goes there. So as someone who really loves to DIY in their own home, this is a really good tool for me because it gives me a little bit more confidence and I don't have to be paranoid that I'm going to ruin something that I just spent forever installing, which is these brand new floors.